Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel for Women in India. We hope you are all doing well and we are back with yet another interesting and informational segment for all of you. In today's vlog, we will discuss whether it is important to have an MBA in order to start a business. So let's begin. Now, it is important to understand that no one knows your business better than you yourself. You can very well run a successful business with your own ideas and experience. Back in the old days when there was no such thing as an MBA, people did run their business and many of them were successful entrepreneurs. There are examples where an individual has led a successful business without any specific qualification, let alone MBA. But doing an MBA can definitely enhance your business skills and it will hone your skill and make you better at your work. Therefore, we cannot say that a degree in MBA would go useless. Here are a few reasons why it is beneficial to have an MBA to run a successful business. Point number one is better knowledge. Now, if you invest years in studying wide-based subjects offered in an MBA program, you will obviously have more knowledge and an edge over the people in the industry who have not done an MBA. It will give you a much better sense of what you are dealing with and how to make progress and lead your company towards improvement and growth. It also helps you in understanding the professional lingo and the key terms specifically used by investors, marketing people, or finance directors. Point number two is more clarity. Having studied a subject before getting into the professional world and running a business will give you a little more clarity as to what you want and how you want to go about it. You will know certain things before in hand before getting straight into it. Number three is confidence. Now, having a degree or any sort of education in the field that you are working in will definitely give you the confidence about having prior information on the subject you are dealing in. Now, with the rise in competition in almost every field, having a degree will give you an edge over others. Having knowledge and information about a subject that you are about to deal with is always a good idea. It also improves your communication skills, which is considered one of the most important factors in running any business or organization today. Point number four is network building. Now, good colleges arrange for guest lectures and make sure that the students interact with a number of highly accomplished alumni and professionals. Meeting and learning from their experience could be a great learning and gives an opportunity to build a network and work with some close alumni or peers for your startup or for expanding your business. However, if you do not have the money and resources to get an MBA, it does not mean that you cannot run a business successfully. Here are a few examples of female entrepreneurs who started their business from scratch and without a degree in MBA. Mridula Jain. She refused to sit idle at home after her marriage and decided to pursue higher studies. She then started working as a teacher in school. Eventually, she decided to pursue something in fashion, which has always been her area of interest, and she began her business, Shingora, of making shawls with her unique ideas. And today, her company exports 90% of what it manufactures. Manisha Bhatti gave up her job at a bank and she started counseling and development company. While working at a bank, she often observed her colleagues and friends struggle with the issue of soft skills. She wanted to provide advice and support to these people and help them achieve their goals. This very thought pushed her to pursue her dream of starting her own business. Together with her colleague Sridhar, who shared the same vision as her, they started Dream Hunt in 2017. She had to sell her jewelry in order to raise funds as she was unable to get a loan. Today, Dream Hunt is running successfully and has bagged the Brands of India Award in the education category. Vandana Luthra, the founder of VLCC to begin with, she started her company in Delhi and today it has grown not only nationally but internationally and offers plethora of beauty services. Today, VLCC is counted as one of the topmost companies in beauty and wellness industry in India. Amongst other prestigious awards, she has won the Padma Shri Award in 2013. Apart from being a successful entrepreneur, Vandana is also a philanthropist and provides scholarships to underprivileged and physically challenged people. To conclude, we would suggest the goal of a degree in MBA is to provide you with the required knowledge and skill and at least some experience before you begin practicing your business. However, earning an MBA will not necessarily mean that you will become a successful entrepreneur, or not having an MBA will make you fail in your business. What truly matters is hard work, learning from your experiences, determination and willingness to grow and improve in whatever field you want to make your career. Do write your views on MBA in the comment section below. If you found the video informational, do hit the like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for more such content. Take care till then, and thank you for watching the video.
Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.